What's up guys, D-Dub's Garage here. We're back again, and in this one we are doing something that has been long overdue, and that is new headlights for the 2007 9.3 convertible. So of course, being the guy I am, I went overboard and I figured while I was replacing the headlights, I might as well do something cool with them. So I got this cool kit from a company called Flash Tech. I found it on Amazon, so we'll see how the quality is. I couldn't find any pre-made Saab like Euro halo lights, so I think we're gonna kind of have to make it work ourselves here. So before we even get to pulling the headlights on the car, which even though the bumper has to come off is a pretty easy job and I've done it plenty of times, we are gonna have to try to tackle getting these LEDs in those lenses. And the problem is we got to pull these brand new, beautiful, not scratched, perfect headlight bezels just to get inside so we can self-glue these LED rings in there. So before we even get to the car, I'm going to read over the instructions a couple times, try to figure this thing out. I do see that there are screws at the bottom of the headlights that are actually holding them to the main housing. You can see them right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get those out first, and then I'm gonna do just a bit of reading online to see if we have to actually heat these things up in the oven like it says on the instructions to get these things unbonded, pull them and get those LEDs in there. A lot of extra work for a little bit of customization, but I'm pretty sure I'm never gonna sell this car. I've always wanted some cool halos. And the best part is you can control the color to pretty much anything you want with a little remote. So that's the kind of stuff I like. So we're gonna go ahead and start reading these instructions, see what I can figure out. Hopefully at least get the LEDs in today. And then honestly, putting it all together other than wiring the LEDs in, it's gonna be a piece of cake. So let's get to it. Bit of time has passed here, guys. Basically, things came up, we got busy, I got a new job, different job, and I just kind of ran out of time to do the headlights on the Saab. And there's something I want to let you guys know. Unfortunately, Flash Tech, this kit specifically for the 9.3, it's no good. And it's not really the kit itself, it's just the concept. Basically, a way to get lenses off of headlights, sort of the way to do it, and people know how to do it, is you stick it in the oven, as you saw from the last clips, which I was trying multiple times at about 200 degrees, and that should loosen up the glue that has sealed this headlight together, and that's what keeps it from, you know, fogging on the inside. But unfortunately, that did not work at all. So basically, I tried, and as you can see, the light actually, the glue sits here and the lens actually goes all the way in, so it's sitting like this, and the glue is basically in between where my fingers would be. So it was near impossible to get this thing apart. I separated it in a few places, but in doing so I basically had to destroy the headlight, which you don't want to do if you're going to put it back together. So that sucks. Again, I hate giving companies bad reviews, but guys, I would stay away from this one, or just send it out to some professionals, because I've seen some pretty cool stuff done. But I'm not actually going to send it back. I'm going to keep the big old halos. Who knows, maybe I'll put them on something. Maybe go a little crazy with the Buell. We'll see.